On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method that I'm about to show you does not require any investment. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the product that you can promote and a free traffic source that you can use to promote the product so that you can be making money from home as a complete beginner. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are a lot of different affiliate networks that you can join. In this case, I'm going to be using Store24. Store24 is a marketplace where you can find a lot of different products to promote. The best part is that it is available worldwide, so you can sign up for an account and then find offers to promote. So once you create your accounts and log in on Store24, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. You can see these are products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. Most of the products, the commission rate is very high, so if you promote one and then get a sale, you can be making a lot of money online from home. You can see a lot of different products. This product, for example, you can see the commission rate is $151.47. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. The next one, you can see $135.16. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. As you can see, the next one, $148.60. Even if you are able to make 2 sales per day, you are going to be making a lot of money. So you can select any product that you want to promote. They have a lot of different products that you can promote on this platform. Any kind of product that you want, you can find it on this platform to promote. If you want a specific categories of products to promote, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, if you want digital products, you can click on it and then find a category of digital products that you want to promote. You can see under digital products, they have animals and pets, betting systems, business and investment, computer and internet, dance and music, dating, love and relationships, email marketing, education, and the rest. So any kind of digital products that you want, you can find it on this platform to promote. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different categories of digital products. You can see a whole lot of them. Just click on any of them. Once you click on it, you find the available products that you can promote. You can see under jobs and employment, they have about 697 available products that you can promote under that category. Internet marketing and business, they have about 841 available digital products that you can promote. So any kind of category that you want, you can just click on it. Once you click on it, there are a lot of different products that you can promote. But to promote a product, what you have to do is that you have to look at certain factors. For example, this product right here, you can see this is the commission rate. This is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. Apart from the commission rate, you have to also look at the cart conversion rate. The cart conversion rate is visitors who open the order form and then make a purchase. So people who click on the link of the product and then make a purchase. That is the cart conversion rate. And you can see this product, the cart conversion rate is 21%. That means if you promote it to 100 people, 200 people, 21% of those people are going to purchase the product. So if you promote the product and you are able to get up to 300 clicks, you are likely going to get 21% of those people purchasing the product. But you must promote to targeted audience. It is not random audience. You have to promote to the targeted audience. Targeted audience are the real people who need the product. So for example, the product is a weight loss product, so you must promote to people who want to lose weight, not random people. So when you promote to the targeted audience, you are going to be making a lot of sales. You can do the analysis. You can analyze all the products, the factors that I've shown you, the commission rate and the cart conversion rate. Use those factors so that you can get the best product to promote. If you don't want digital products, you can click right here, events and seminars. There are events and seminars that you can promote. Physical data mediums, you can promote those products, services, physical products, any kind of products that you want. Just click on it so that you can find available products to promote. In this case, I already have a product in mind that I want to promote, so I'm not going to do any research. All that I need to do is that I have to go straight to the product and then promote it. The product that I'm going to be promoting today is Lean Bellies. It's a new product, and if you promote it, you are likely going to make a sale. I've been promoting it, and it's one of the best products that you can promote on this platform. It is a weight loss supplement, so if you want, you can also promote it. If you don't want this product, just follow the steps in this video and then choose any product that you want so that you can promote it using this method. If you want to promote a product, what you have to do is that you have to click on the affiliate support page so that you can find out the resources that the product owner has for you that you can use to promote the product. If you don't want the affiliate resources, just leave it. Apart from that, you have to also click on the sales page so that you can get some basic information about the product. So when you click on sales page, you'll be able to see the landing page of the product. As you can see, this is the landing page of the product. You can see everything. This is the landing page of the product. When you scroll down, there are many other details about the product, so you can take the time, read about the product before you begin to promote it. You can see they have bonuses. So when your potential visitors make a purchase of 6 bottles or 3 bottles, they are going to be earning bonuses. Apart from that, there are a lot of different information about the product. You can see the product, they have it in 3 packages. So any package that your potential visitors want, you can choose it to buy. You can see they have $69 per bottle, $49 per bottle, $59 per bottle. Any package that your potential visitors want, they can click on it and then make a purchase for you to earn money. Now scroll down, you can see many other information about the product. Now once you have gotten to know the basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting the product. So when you click on the sales page, you can see it has opened like this. This is the price of the product. So when you click right here, promote now, you can see copy promo link. So when you click on it, you can get access to your affiliate link. Once you have your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product through your affiliate link so that you can be tracked and paid on David Store 24. You can use free traffic source, you can use paid traffic source. It depends on what you want. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to promote the product. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is offer.com.cy. That is the traffic source that we are going to be using to promote the product. This is one of the best traffic sources because you are going to be getting a lot of clicks. This website is very active, so when you promote your product here, you are going to be getting a lot of clicks and sales. You can see other people have posted their items on this website. You can see these are ads that people are running on the website. When you scroll down, you can see many other ads that people have posted on the website. You can see these are ads that people have posted onto the website. So you can equally post your ad onto this website so that you can get people to purchase the products that you are promoting. To create an ad, what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account. So when you click on login, you can be able to sign up for an account. It is free, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for this website and then join so that you can promote your affiliate links on the website for free. Once you create your accounts and login, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to begin running your ad. To run an ad, you have to click right here, new free classified. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to select the category of the product that you are promoting. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can search for the right category of the product that you are promoting. Once you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different categories. So you can see right here, beauty and health. The product that you are promoting is about how to lose weight. So this is the best category. Once that is done, you can click on it and then select the subcategory. You can see these are the subcategories. Just select the right one. In this case, it is a supplement, so you can select food supplement. When you come back on David Store 24, you can see it is a supplement. You can see the product is a supplement and it's going to help people to lose weight. You can see it right here. Now once you have selected the right category, you can also select the language. You can see they have 3 languages that you can select. Any of them that you want, you can do that. Once that is done, we are going to write the title of your ad. So just type any title that will get people to click on your ad and then purchase the product. When you come back on the product landing page, you can see these are some of the information that you can use on your ad. So you can just highlight and then copy this as your ad title. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to write a description. So if you don't know how to write a better description, you can come back on the product landing page, copy this information as your description. Just highlight this, highlight everything, and then copy it as your description. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see price. You have to enter the price here. For when you come back on David Store 24, You can see this is the price of the product. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see district. If you want to select a district, you can do that. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see images. You have to upload images of the product. To get images of the product, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for the name of the product. Once you search for it, you're going to click on images. Once you click on images, you get many images of the product. You can see these are images of the product that you can download and then use it on your ad. So right click on any of the images that you want. Once you right click on it, you're going to select save images. Once you download the images, you're going to come back, click on choose file so that you can upload your images. So just upload the images that you downloaded. Upload as many images that you want. Just upload them onto the platform. As you can see, that has been done. I've been able to upload 3 images. So just leave it like that. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see add additional info. You can see right a link to a website that contains more information. So you have to copy and paste your affiliate link right here. So just come back on this student info. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is my affiliate link. You can see my name at the end of it. This is my affiliate link. Now once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see YouTube video URLs. If you have a YouTube video, you can paste it right here, but in this case, you are not going to do that. Once that is done, you can see phone numbers. If you want to enter your phone numbers, you can do that. But in this case, I'm not going to enter any phone number, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see I am. So you have to select whether you are a private advertiser or a business. In this case, you have to select private advertiser. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see if you want any of these promotional options, you can select it. You can see they have €5 for 10 days. You can see they also have category page, premium ad. If you want, you can do that. When you scroll down, you can see they have home and category page, premium ad. If you want, you can also select it and then pay €7 for 10 days. If you want any of them, you can select. But in this case, we are not going to select any of them. We want to post our ad for free so that when we get money, we can then run premium ads. So just leave it like this and then select pre-classified submission. So you are not going to be paying for anything. Once you have entered all the details, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, submit ad, so that your ad can be submitted to the website. Apart from that website, you can also come on this website, auclassifies.com.au. On this website, you can also post your ad for free. What you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can post your ad to any category that you want. You can see they have a lot of different categories. You can see them right here. So just click right here, register. Once you register for an account, you can be able to place an ad on this platform for free. They have a lot of different categories. For example, when you scroll down, you can see health and beauty. So you can post your ad right here so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. The best part is that this website is based in Australia. You can see it, Australia. So you are going to be getting high quality traffic to your affiliate link. So make sure you come on this website and then post your ad for free so that you can be making money from home on Digital 24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.